Hi guys, welcome to my humble home. Join me for a few minutes for this Christmas home tour showcasing my simple home here in Las Vegas. If you have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. If you haven't, I will really be happy if you do so. One of my Christmas wish is to grow this channel, and I hope you'll join me and keep on watching. So guys, I live in a small home. It's close to 1700 square feet and it's 3 levels. But my goal for this Christmas is to have a simple decor and make use of what I already have, just add a little bit and tweak a little bit. I have a green and white Christmas tree, but for this year, I decided to use the shorter tree and it's white, and I just added these gold ornaments. Some of them I got from the Dollar Tree store and some of them from Michael's. And also I also added a mesh and some bows that are in gold, and they were in a really good price from At Home store. To fill in the empty space below the Christmas tree, I just wrapped some presents in white and gold wrappers and arranged them below the tree. So guys, I already have these picture frames. They're from an artist named P. Douglas, and I think it's pretty on the wall, so I don't have to take them out for Christmas. And I got this Christmas stockings from Target, these knitted ones, but this one in the middle, I'm going to show you. I thrifted this from the Goodwill, and it's really cute. It's an old Christmas stocking. So guys, this shelf that I'm using is from one of our bedrooms, and I just moved it down here so that way I can make use it as a Christmas shelf. with this little decor that I got from Goodwill. It's a glass candle holder and a plastic snowflake from the Dollar Tree store. And I just added to my rose gold lantern some poinsettias. And on my stairway, I just put the old garland that I had from last year and added a white mesh and some Christmas ball lights. At first, I didn't put any mesh around the Christmas tree, but I decided to put a mesh because I still see spaces in between, and the mesh actually made it look pretty. So guys, both this mulberries and this gold ribbon, I got it from the Dollar Tree store. And I'm happy because I don't have to spend so much money for wrapping gifts. So at the end of my decorating, I just decided to put a gold mesh around my tree because I usually check how my tree looks during daytime and during nighttime with the lights. So guys, for my living room, I just put some cushions and added a bow. And the bow is made of the same mesh, similar to the one that I used for my Christmas tree, but it's softer in terms of texture. And that's the only thing that I added to the pillows. And also this small accent pillow. It says better not pout. I got it from the at-home store for only like $13. And right in my living room, I also have this Christmas village. I thrifted some of the village houses and glammed them by painting them gold. And I have another video of that I shared earlier. And it shows how I displayed my Christmas village. So this one I'm showing to you right now are all from last year, and I just added the thrifted village houses that I got from the Goodwill. On the other side of my living room is an IKEA shelf, and I just added Christmas letters that I glammed up using glitters. And I also added an IKEA LED battery operated light which is shaped like a pine cone. And as you can see, this is how the entertainment area looks like. And I also tried to do a mock-up setup of what my Christmas dinner setup tablescape would be. But since I'm transitioning from Thanksgiving to Christmas, I came up with this idea. So guys, if you like this video, hit like, share, and subscribe, and watch my other Christmas videos, and hit the notification bell. So I will see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching.